back to this lecture. And today we are here to learn about the mirror command. It is very important to make our work easier since it is a modifier command. So you know how important it can have. So let's understand it. Mirror command basically used to make the object at the same distance in another side. You might not understand by words, so let's understand by an example. Suppose we have a circle of random diameter and we need to make a circle in another side of this line at the same distance as it is right now. So we'll use mirror command. Just click on mirror command, select the object, press spacebar or enter, and now it is asking to specify first point of mirror. It means the object which you used as a mirror, you just need to click the first point and then you click the second point. You can see now we have another image of the circle at the same distance. So there is a statement in command prompt. It's asking to read the source object. If you want to delete the source object at the same time, you can type yes, and if you don't, you just type in on enter. So now commands has end up and we have our desired object. This is for the symmetric object. Now understand by an unsymmetric object, and let's draw another object which is meaningful. Let's draw an object. Okay, so now we have a meaningful object that's look like an arrow, and we have to make image of this arrow along with this line. Just click on mirror, select the object, and now press spacebar and enter, and specify the mirror object which you have. You see we have another object of this which is not symmetry, but it is in another direction, just like mirror works. So now you find that what is different between making the mirror image of a symmetric object and an unsymmetric object. Okay, so this is how it was, the mirror command, and you might understand. Now I recommend you to make more interesting steps or drawings or object and make their mirror images so that your hand can be fluent on AutoCAD. So now here again it is asking to erase or not. I'm not going to erase it. Okay, so see you in next